Welcome to our clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. Yes, it's every Friday and it's kind of cool. There's real people, real stories, and real people, real challenges, and real success. No, I'm not reading from the teleprompter. Who do I look like? The president? No, I don't like it. Okay, I know, no political jokes. I'm here with
Georgie Christiansen.
Okay, good. Now, what brought you down here?
My son, he has schizophrenia,
Okay.
and I was looking for something that might help him.
Now, this is cool because when you're looking at this, if you're looking at how the brain works, bipolar, schizophrenia, OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, impulse control, everything are a function of the frontal lobe. Now, not many people know that the cerebellum controls that frontal lobe. How did you get research? Did you see our videos? Or this is advanced level stuff, because otherwise they give you drugs that actually perpetuate the problem.
I saw your videos. I've been watching your videos for about 5 years, 6 years.
Oh, cool. Isn't it kind of fun to see that I mean, all the stories are true?
I wanted to go and see you at up north in Huntington, but I never had the time to go because it involves a lot of driving, long distance from where I live in San Diego. So I waited, and when I found out that you were here, it was a blessing.
Oh yeah, that's thank you God.
It is, absolutely, and I'm very delighted that I have seen his progress.
Really? Now, what have you noticed?
Well, first of all, he's a lot calmer, feels better every day, but physically, I notice I noticed first, but other people are telling me that he walks more straight, taller, and also I noticed that he used to have some strange movements with his arms, and one moved and the other didn't, and lately I've noticed that the one that didn't used to move is moving, and the one that used to move too much is moving less. So that is very nice.
Okay. Now, this is kind of cool. Because what you'll see, and you'll see this in like Walmart, Target, just people walking on the beach, with the head being massively forward, and then there's going to be movements. And the more because the body does that to get more information up to the brain. Once you clear that connection, then the body, and this is why the gait would change, movement would change, and everything, because the brain is more aware of the body. It's called proprioception.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty cool.
It is. Now, that was for him, and after I saw that he was improving, I said, well, let's see what I can get out of this, because I have suffered bad knees, and I want to take care of that, and you promised that it will happen.
Mm-hmm.
But about a month ago, I didn't expect it. I came in a kind of a grumpy mood, which is very unusual, but I still wasn't feeling very well, and as soon as I went in on the table, I started feeling good almost immediately, and by the time I got up, I'm so happy. So I expected something physical, not something mental, and it really helped. So I'm very happy about that.
And that's the three stressors: physical, chemical, and emotional. Now, one thing, okay, and I got to tell you, when you hear of iPad, you might think of a device by microscope. Okay, when you have beautiful eyelashes, okay, like this, can I tell them about your iPad?
Yes.
Okay, it's totally cool. It's just a little pad. It's like this big. It goes on her forehead, so her eyelashes don't get messed up on the headpiece. So if you have beautiful eyelashes, you're thinking, how the heck can she put her face down?
Mm-hmm.
iPad. Okay, now have you ever had? Because you live in San Diego.
Uh-huh.
And I know the propaganda ministry is trying to prevent people to go in. They always say border travel is limited.
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever had any problem over the last year and a half coming down here?
Not being stopped. As a matter of fact, for a long time, I didn't come to Tijuana because I thought that it wasn't available for medical treatments. Once I found out, it's great. And the only problems I've had sometimes is the lines being very long, because I lost my Sentry, and so I only use the Ready Lane.
Ready Lane.
And that one, the line might be pretty far back, so I have to wait till it's in the afternoon, like 5 o'clock to leave.
Yeah.
That's why I'm here,
Yeah,
because I'm killing time.
It's kind of cool. Like I'll leave like around 6 o'clock.
Mhm.
Usually like 10, 15 minutes to get across.
With Ready Lane.
with a ready
Yes,
lane.
that's what you need if you have an American passport. That's
Yeah.
what will help you. But I didn't know how to get there sometimes. You don't know. So once you know, it's easy. But for somebody that doesn't know how to get there to the ready lane, you have to know. So you have to ask me or somebody else that knows how to get there.
And the cool stuff, you're like one of the bold people that drive down here.
Mhm.
I love driving down here, okay? You don't, the lines in the road are more like guidelines and rules.
Yes,
And I kind of
there's
like that.
suggestions.
Yeah, the suggestions. That's totally cool. Now, we do have 2 vans a day that leave from here, pick people up, come
Oh,
down.
really?
Yeah, you just got to stop at the parking lot.
Oh, that's
It's the
wonderful.
last US exit. It makes it easy. It's not near as fun.
Well, we use the time to visit friends that I have here and also go out to eat.
Ah.
So either Stevie and I go shopping or go eat.
The restaurants in TJ, I have told everybody it's the best food in California.
It's very good.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
Now, what would you tell anyone that is thinking about this? Because mental disorders are getting more and more and more common. And the medications they give to treat those, actually it says it on the label, causes the symptom. And this is not a standard therapy that the average person would do. What would you tell those people that haven't had success?
Well, what I would tell them is it's many holistic modalities that you can attempt to relieve or get help with a problem. I think we should try it. As many as we can. There's nutrition, physical exercise, and treatments like this. Whatever helps my son, I'll do.
Good.
So.
Okay, one of the top greatest moms in the world.
Thank you, Dr. Bergman.
Honest to
I
God.
enjoy your videos very much.
Honest to God, hon, thank you. You're giving so much hope to people that don't have hope, and that's what I like these live, because this is like our clinic. Really, we shut it down for about 10 minutes to do these things. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you.
Real people, real challenges, real success, and that's a real awesome mom. Okay, don't forget to use an iPad if you have beautiful long eyelashes. I'll see you next week. Same bad time, same bad channel.